Hello everybody, today I'm going to be ordering a 4x4 and when it gets here I'm going to unbox it. So let's get right into it. The 4x4 that I'm going to be ordering is the QiYi Thunderclap Mini 4x4. So this is about $13 and I'm going to be getting it in stickerless. So yeah, let's just go and add this to cart and I'll see you when it gets here. Okay, so here's the package. So let's get these. Okay. Here is the stickerless 4x4. Man, this looks cool. We got it on the packaging, there's a stickerless one, and then there's a white one, and then there's a black one. There's another one that's 62 millimeters. And that's the bigger one, and I've heard that's way more scratchy. So let's see how this one is. So we got a little pamphlet that shows how to solve the 4x4. Does it show anything else? I don't think so. Okay, got it. Oh, so it comes in nice plastic wrap. That looks cool. Oh, wow, this looks good. This is really, it's a 60 meter one. Ooh, it's actually kind of scratchy right now. Yeah, this needs some breaking in for, needs some breaking in for, like, to make it good. The tensions are really tight. I think I might adjust these. Man, this is amazing. It's a good budget 4x4 for cause it only costs $13. The tensions, it feels really it fits perfectly in my hands because my hands are quite small. If we compare the size to a GAN 356, because this one's 56 millimeters and this is 60, so it's really cool size. And then the 2x2 that I have, this one is 2 inches. And then there's a 54 millimeter one, but it's a bit scratchy on the inside. The shades, they look pretty cool. Just these two look, green and orange look a bit too bright. That might be. And it's a little slimy because of the lube. It just needs a lot of breaking in. So let's try some corner cutting. Let's do one block. Ooh. It can, but it just needs to be broken in. I don't want to pop this thing. Yeah, I can't quite do that. Let's try it a little bit of reverse. It's not that good with corner cutting. It can do some, but it can't do quite a lot. Like I said, this is a really good budget 4x4 for beginners. So I recommend this for a first 4x4. I really like this cube. It's really, I think this is gonna be one of my main if I just if I tension it to make it not so tight. Wait, it can actually corner cut. Yeah, it can actually corner cut a bit. Yeah, it can corner cut right here. Yeah, it actually does decent corner cutting. So let's try the inner layers. Ooh, these are really scratchy, huh? Wow. Huh. So the inner layers for parity and stuff, I don't know. It could be good, but it just doesn't, it really needs some breaking in for this. So, I mean, can't really, if you can hear that, it's very scratchy. Oh, that actually did some Yeah, the corner, whoa, what was that noise? The corner cutting, though, it's actually quite decent, but like I said, it's for a beginner. This is a really good budget 4x4 for your first solves and stuff. If you already know how to do 3x3, then you're pretty good with solving a 4x4. Well, you can learn faster. And you should probably tension it because it comes really tight. This is the Thunderclap Mini 4x4. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.